And the remnants of Delta could give us some much needed rainfall over the next 24 to 36 hours. We'll get to that in just a minute. First of all, we have a weak cold front that's starting to bring a few little sprinkles and showers to areas just north of I-80 up to the Lake Erie shoreline. That will sink to the south overnight. So some of you just around northern portions of Lawrence County, Butler County, you might start to see a little sprinkle or two in the next hour or so. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies, 65 degrees in Pittsburgh. Temperatures made it up to the upper 60s, lower 70s for highs today. A good 5 to 7 degrees warmer than average. Winds are southwest 5 miles per hour. Temperatures all in the lower to mid 60s. Currently, Somerset, the cool spot, at 61. Everyone else all the way from 64 to 66 degrees. So pretty mild out there still, and we'll stay mild the rest of the weekend, even though we have a chance for rain coming in. We need the rain. Moderate drought conditions in effect for much of southwestern Pennsylvania. We've only had just over a third of an inch of rain for the month so far. So a good chance tomorrow, and then a couple of chances for a couple of showers Monday and Thursday as two more cold fronts come in. Two ingredients on the way, two systems that could give us a chance for rain over the next couple of days. The first one is that weak front that I mentioned, starting to touch off a few showers to our north. That will drop down through the night and then sort of wash out. The second one is what is left of what was Hurricane Delta. Now just a low pressure center swirling over western portions of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, Alabama, spinning all of this rain up into southern West Virginia, and that will gradually move north tomorrow. And by later tomorrow evening, we start to get the benefit from some of that. Or a trade-off. No sunshine, but we need the rain. So here's FutureCast dropping that front down through the area. There's 7 a.m. Couple of sprinkles, maybe a little 1/10 of an inch of rain or so in spots. Then through the day tomorrow, the first half of the day, just overcast skies. Here's 1 p.m. Steelers game tomorrow, maybe a scattered shower or two. Most of the rain will be south of I-70 up until around 4 or 5 p.m. Then it starts to push to the north. And again, the areas from Pittsburgh to the south will get the best chance for rain, especially over into the Laurel Highlands as well. Those of you farther north will have lesser rainfall totals. But there's 11 o'clock. As that rain spreads across the area to the north, it then starts to push to the east. By Monday morning, it's all out of here. The next chance for rain is Monday evening when another front pushes through. So how much rain are we talking? Well, FutureCast gives us a good run at about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of rain across much of the area. Some of those totals could be a little higher over into the Laurel Highlands. So we need what we can get. 7-day forecast, 70 tomorrow, mainly afternoon and evening rain showers. 72 Monday, evening showers, and 60s the rest of the week until we get to Friday, Saturday. Then we cool down to the 50s.